So we're recording the sewer line from this clean out here on the back side of the house. I'm going to go down and take a look at the line. It's new plastic that we've installed, dropping into plastic piping that's been put in here at some point. Taking a turn. There's a small section of broken pipe where the root's coming in there at about, let's see, we were at what, 60, so 47 feet out or so from here, 45 feet. That's a steep grade going here. And then we drop into concrete into what looks like a T almost. Very difficult to get my camera past this. And then it looks like, I can't tell if I'm going back up or if I'm going down there from that T. So what I'd like to do is go talk to, end the video there.